Retriever Rexx is gonna pull a kayak. Hi! And this is actually pretty fun. I rate it like a 6.7 because it's actually hard for Rexx to pull. I would love you guys to comment to ask for what Rexx to pull next or what you think would be funny for Rexx to pull. Like, follow, and share to see what Rexx the Pulling Retriever pulls next. Bye! Today on Rexx the Pulling Retriever, Rexx is pulling a canoe.